solution of sodium nitrate and we want to test it for nitrate ion. So we have to add an aluminum foil. Aluminum foil. And we have to add sodium hydroxide. See, gas is evolving and litmus paper is turning blue. Moist red litmus paper is turning. You can see a gas evolve. I hope you enjoy this practical. Now what happened behind this chemical reaction, I will explain it on the board.
Hi everyone, as we have already done practical in chemistry lab for the identification of nitrate ion, so here I am going to explain you the chemistry behind this experiment. So this apparatus, you are very well aware of it, that in a test tube we have taken sodium nitrate, NaNO3, aqueous, and what is this? We add sodium hydroxide in this NaNO3 and we add aluminum foil. So this is aluminum foil. What happened? After some time, a gas evolved which turned red litmus paper blue. So this is the whole experiment which we have already done. Now I would like to explain this experiment into three parts by dividing it into three parts. In the first part, what happened? These nitrate ion basically converted into ammonium ion. This is the first step which I would like to explain. Nitrate ion converted to ammonium ion. So, which thing convert them in nitrate ion into ammonium ion? Aluminum metal. So, what is the role of aluminum metal? Causes reduction in nitrate ion. And what is the role of this aluminum metal? It acts as a reducing agent and the process occur here is reduction. Okay, so this is the first step. Now in the second step, this ammonium ion react with a second reagent which is sodium hydroxide, which is alkali. So this ammonium ion react with alkali, releasing ammonia gas and water. Now in the second step, ammonia gas is formed. This ammonia gas which is formed in second step reach to the moist red litmus paper. So this is what? Moist red litmus paper. So moist means this red litmus paper contain water, and this ammonia gas reacts with water, making hydroxide ion plus ammonium ion again. These are the hydroxide ion. When they touch this litmus paper, changes the color of litmus paper from red to blue. So this is all about the reaction occurring inside the test tube, and this is what happened on the litmus paper. In the second step, the question is asked which ion causes the formation of ammonia gas during the chemical reaction. So which ion causes the formation of ammonia gas? It is ammonium ion when it reacts with the reagent. What is this reagent? This is sodium hydroxide. So I have written ionic equation, so that is why I have taken ion. I hope you understand it. Thank you very much. See you with the next episode.